This is my green crown pasta. Bright spinach dough, creamy ricotta filling, and Parmesan Fonduta. This looks gourmet, but anybody can make it. Start with our vibrant green spinach puree. Blanch it in salted water, shock it in an ice bath, blend it until buttery smooth before incorporating it into our egg yolks to start our dough. The most important part of the pasta dough recipe is to balance the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. If you'd like to see a full step-by-step tutorial on how to make the spinach puree or the green pasta dough from scratch, let me know in the comment section below and I'd be happy to dedicate a future episode showing you that. Now on to the next step, the ricotta and parmigiano filling. By putting a weight on it and putting it in a sieve overnight, all the excess moisture is just going to drip out. This is going to make sure that your filling for your pastas aren't super wet. I'm going to be grating some fresh parmigiano on top, a little bit of nutmeg. I'm going to keep it simple. We're gonna fold it over. I'm just gonna tuck it a little bit underneath. Roll it gently, okay? Then try to reshape it. Here, where you feel the stuffing stops, you press. Here it's a bit too long, now remove. Same thing here, keep it refined. We're doing all this work, we're gonna flip it. We'll finish our vegetables with a butter glaze as well as baste our pasta with it. Look at this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more interesting recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.